Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Composed Petite Wig from Natural Image. This is a petite sized wig which is perfect for people with heads ranging from about 51 centimeters to 54 centimeters. She's a synthetic style. It's a nice sort of shoulder length, relaxed beached waves. So I'm just going to flip her inside out so I can let you see the cap construction of this wig. This is a super comfortable cap with full wefting around the back, which is great for that airflow. It's got a nice bit of stretch to it, so it'll fit your head perfectly. You've got your little Velcro adjusters there, so you can get a nice snug fit. Round the front, there is no lace front on this wig, which is great if you find a lace front to irritate your scalp. Overall, it's just made for that sort of comfortable, easy throw-on look. So I'm just going to pop her on so you can see what she looks like. So then just holding at the front, adjusting that stretchy cap down to the nape of my neck, flipping the hair over. I'm going to grab the little ear tabs, just give her a little adjustment so that she's sitting in the right place with the hairline about 4 fingers from my eyebrows there. So as you can see, she's got those lovely shoulder length beachy waves. You've got a wee fringe here that sits about 22 centimeters and you've got an overall length of 24 centimeters. You've got some lovely movement, and again with that cap that I just showed you, the stretch, she fits super comfortably. So this style comes in a wide range of different colours, all of which are in stock at Judy Plum and available for immediate dispatch. This colour here is Platinum Mist Rooted, so as you can see it's got a lovely little root there giving that really natural appearance and lots of movement and body, which just really helps to highlight those beachy waves there. This colour here is Creamy Glow, which is just a lovely light blonde, super natural, very sun-kissed. This colour also is available as a rooted colour, which would give you a wee bit dimension round at the roots. And the final colour that I've got to try on for you today is Chestnut Mixed, which is a lovely multi-dimensional brunette colour. I'm just going to do a wee spin around so you can see what this wig looks like from every different angle. So to the side here you can see some of those layers and that movement. From the back. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Composed Petite Wig from Natural Image. As you can see, she's a lovely shoulder length style with some really nice beachy waves and movement. The cap is so comfortable, it's a perfect throw on everyday wig. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel and give Judy Plum a follow across all social media platforms. You can catch me over on my Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Feel free to check out our other wig review videos and helpful how-to videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel. Also, head over to the Judy Plum website. There is a link in the description to check out all the styles that Judy Plum have available for immediate dispatch at the best prices and with great customer reviews.